Yeah. Do it. You move. Yo, yo, yeah. You on the wall, stop holding it up. You want the ball, baby, bring your cup. Bring your glasses, shake it up. You got them shoes on, ma, what you waiting for? What exactly must I say to you? It's body to body, and it's the party's made you drunk. Yo, can't fake the funk, straight up resist the drunk, got made to jump. Yeah, another one of the nights. Next, like when I was tight, spark of the next. Folks still in the sex, sweat, smelling like sex. Folks setting up time for bed wetting, yeah. Hey, I see you moving it. It's a yellow, yeah, I like the way you doing it. Yeah, you get it from, you get it from. Mama Africa, you feel it when you hit the drum. Heights of me, keep hitting them, hitting them. Bounce that, shake that, yeah, I'm feeling it. We in the venue, tell you what we finna do. Keep grinding, save all questions for interview.
Why don't you get on the dance floor and shake what your mama gave you? You get it from me, you get it from me. Why don't you get on the dance floor and shake what your mama gave you? You get it from me, you get it from me.
Razor tight, do laser lights. Take what I feel, never feel what I might. Do or not do, the island sight you. Incite you to lose yourself when I sight you. Recognize game, so you must be fly too. You know the crew, it's on your iTunes. Crescent moon, post in your room. I get autographed, that much too soon. It's up to you for me to get up to you. And if you up too soon, then we could go till noon. To have lunch at the Blue Front. Nutella crepe, Neshwa, whatever you want. For culture, Ayatollah Savant. What I'm saying is we got it going on. I'm too strong, better than your average. 6 is mana plus 1 mathematics.
Why don't you get on the dance floor and shake what your mama gave you? You get it from me, you get it from me. Why don't you get on the dance floor and shake what your mama gave you? You get it from me, you get it from me. Hobby night, heat stroke, heat wave, party up each day, every day's a holiday. Watch banging, the boy by your Esquire, red-eyed chain swinging, pissy drunk, pants hanging. In the venue doing it live, the whole squad campaigning, two-stepping, hood repping. I'm in the building and I'm feeling myself. The way mommy back it up, you know she's feeling herself. Ladies be like, he's so naughty and he's so bossy, but she's a worker and he's a winner. Definite go-getter, get a hustle, get cashed out. We about to mash out, purple aroma, half man, half amazingly, hazily, gracefully approach a PYT like it's my J.O.B. But I'm M.O.B. for the T.N.A. like TNT. Straight out the CT, now in the O.A.K. Getting hypey in the E.S.O. I hit the T.A.C. and I'm on the G to the O. And the flow so cold, turn rain to snow. But the boy so hot, turn snow to fire. Damn near seen it all, makes the joy with pain. But right about now, it's all about your brain. And the way you drop it like it's hard when the beat go bang. Hey, why don't you get on the dance floor and shake what your mama gave you? You get it from me, you get it from me. Why don't you get on the dance floor and shake what your mama gave you? You get it from me, you get it from me.
gon' get slayed. And I dare you when it's finished and done, I have your hands out trying to get paid. A lot of peons get played that way. You silly sucker, you disobey. That powerful creatures on the pimp from back in the day. That's where my pocket stays. Benjamin Brennan, and if you want it shorter, you can come and get it. But you better be wide here. Big lip, big breasted, butt naked, and headed where belly is headed. And if your man get hot and shit get headed, we can chin take it, or we can go all out in the first war and just straight up take it. We free tricks at the Rolex with bad checks, chasing women with more wet, calling Earl all over your girl player, but we ain't finished yet. Now what's next? Getting head in the parking lot, park next to your nigga's car, white booty shake all over the club. He'll wanna be thug, looking love, spending your rent money at the bar.